just woke up. I need to make a coffee and then I need to make my AG1. And a huge thank you to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. I personally drink AG1 every single morning without fail, and I have been for probably about a month now. I really do, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna put some cold water in my cup. I'm gonna move to a pretty background. Look how beautiful that is. I have my cup of cold water. So this is what it looks like. I keep mine in the fridge, and then I've used a lot of it at this point where my scooper finally fits in the container. Just take like a scoop of it and put it in my drink. And then you're done. It's so easy. It's a foundational nutrition supplement. It supports whole body health and it has really great ingredients. So if you're the type of person that feels the need to take 30 different supplements in your morning, one for stress, one for your gut, one for this, one for that, this basically does it all in one, which is why I love it. It saves me a lot of time because I used to be the person taking all these different like capsules in the morning. So instead of just supporting one little part of your body, foundational nutrition supplements support whole body health. And so they focus on a bunch of different things. Like this is really good for your gut because it has digestive enzymes in it. It also has pre and probiotics. It's a very mild flavor. It's not too like, and it definitely doesn't taste like what it looks like. I also think that this is really beneficial for your immune system because it has a lot of immune supporting ingredients like zinc. It has functional mushrooms. It has vitamin C. If you watch my other vlogs, you already know about this. I've been taking it in all my other vlogs, but I just haven't gone in depth because I didn't want them to pull the sponsorship. They also have a very extensive testing process. So this is not some like, here, this is on the label, I think it's kind of true. Like they test for over 950 contaminants and impurities, which I don't know if a lot of companies do, but I doubt it. If you guys want to try it, just go to drinkag1.com/Olivia Jade. AG1's gonna give you guys a year free of their vitamin D3 plus K2, and then also 5 travel packs of the AG1. Okay, let's continue on. All done. I'm just gonna do half a cup of oats. This is my favorite overnight oats, or just, you know, give it a couple hours. And then just half a cup of whatever milk you like. A good amount of cinnamon, a lot. Chia seeds, mix her all together. Normally I add a tablespoon of yogurt and I'll do a little honey or maple syrup. I just don't have either of those right now, but. And that's that. And then you just put it in the fridge. I really like strawberries on top with almond butter, but banana's really good. Whatever you like. Okay, coffee time. This little like pocket of sunshine I'm sitting in feels so nice. I'm sorry if the lighting's not great, but it's too comfortable to move. I have a really exciting day ahead. I'm working with the Healthy Room project today, which is really exciting, so I need to get ready, and then we're gonna head to South Central. At first I wasn't gonna film any of it, but the Healthy Room project team has made it very clear that filming and pushing this mission on social media is very beneficial to the organization. And if you're interested, I'll tell you guys a little bit about it right now. Their whole mission is to renovate some children's bedrooms in areas where children are extremely vulnerable, just making them feel like they have this safe, joyful space to thrive in. So a lot of these kids, you know, they don't really have bed frames, or they need some new paint on the walls. And so the Healthy Room Project is actually local police in the area that are trying to create a really safe space for these kids. I'm going to put a link in my description box if you feel inclined to help or you just want to research and look into it. And I also am really excited because all of the AdSense monetization from this video I am donating to the Healthy Room Project. I think I'm just gonna get ready. I have to leave here like any second. So I'll see you guys there. I just finished unpacking my stuff and I'm really excited. How cool are these? They're gauny. This will become an everyday shoe after this festival. I put my accessories out and some sunglasses, some outfit options. I'm gonna start my day with a workout because I don't know if I will be feeling energized to do that any other day this week or this weekend. Like, it's cute in the mirror, but then when I look at it in the camera, I'm like, it looks like I'm a football player.
Well, I think everyone can assume there's padding in it, considering your other shoulder is teeny tiny.
Okay, and then I brought, there we go.
I'm gonna pull it to here for now. Pull it up so that this is a little higher. There we go. That looks right to me.
Hi everyone. So it is around, it's like 12:40. I have hair coming at 1 today to do my hair for the festival. Honestly, I didn't even go to the festival on Friday. I just walked around for a couple minutes and then left because I knew that today was my bigger day of like work. I'm going with St. James to the festival and I do like a little bartending meetup thing with Tyler, and I'll vlog all of that. I think it's gonna be great, and Bella will be there to help me get some footage and stuff. So I'll show you guys my eye makeup after. I think I'm gonna do like a heavy wing. Not a heavy wing, but like a dark wing.
My hat's not the vibe today because I'm like, we'll see.
It is the vibe. I'm gonna head to a friend's party right now and then we'll leave my house for the festival in like an hour.
We're going in.
Gorgeous. You have a bath soon, you're gonna hate me. Guys, there's something hiding in my bed. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you... are gonna pick out an outfit because I'm going to dinner later and I might as well just get dressed now. Okay, I'm gonna pick out an outfit. I'll come back.
Did you like that? Did you like that? Huh?
Good, Milo.